My people, good morning, good evening, good night. Anywhere you're watching me from, please like, comment, and subscribe also. And let me hear your opinion. This is Frederick on another action. You can see him slapping a bad man, an old man trying to box the old man just because of what his wife. Look at him pursuing a grown-up lady, for that matter, adults, couples pursuing each other, and it be like say this one that his wife carry sef no bad though. You can rewind it and watch it again. God bless you. You see a man that believe that his wife is his property, up to the point that he not even trust her. Look at him dragging the undies of his wife, trying to even smell if she has slept with other man where she's going out. Yeah. So what is your own opinion concerning this? And he still want to perform his duty at night after acting like that in day. But last love go win now. The lady later agree with say making him performing right. So if you are the one, can you continue with that kind of relationship? Let's meet in the comment section.